Okay. So now we're starting with what now? Selenium. Okay. Why are we learning Selenium first of all? Okay. 5 points. Okay. Few points are there now. Okay. The first reason of learning Selenium to understand what about the functions. About what functions. Because theoretically, if you see and apply in the Python, that much clarity you won't get. But you apply practically, then you understand why we have to focus on the functions topic. That is the first point. Second point, why we have to learn to understand about the classes. About what class you can see. So people are having a little bit of OOPS concept. Some people know, some people don't know. Like what? Some people know Java. In Java, there will be a compulsory topic called as OOPS, object-oriented programming. Here also there, but not that much like compared to Java. Java provide you what? Security. Python will not provide security. We self have to provide the security. That's why hacker use what? Python programming. Why? Because we can easily hack. But that much security there, everything is there. Then why? Where hackers will go? How companies earn money? How frauds will happen? Yes or no? Then third point is what? To understand about web elements. Web elements. Then last point is what? Before going there, after understanding web elements, okay, customize. Let me read properly. What? Customize. You want to make your own logics. You don't want to open browser only. You want to do something else. You want to open other websites, so and so. You want to click somewhere, everything. That is what to customize, color change, all those things. Then the last comes is what? Automation. Automation. These are the 5 points why are we studying design of what? Selenium here. Okay. And this is the reason why we will be able to understand functions, class, everything there. So 2 to 3 programs, if you see, clearly you'll get the idea. What are web elements? Nothing but what? HTML, input, all those things. Practically you'll see. Okay. Automation is nothing but what? Daily I'm coming. Opening what? Zoom. Sharing the link. Closing again. Ending the meeting. Join after 2 minutes. These things I'm doing there. Same thing I can do with the help of what? Selenium. But timing should be followed exactly again. That's why I can also do. But till now I have used a no. Why? Sometimes I'm starting the class at 2 o'clock, sometimes 2:05, sometimes before, or sometimes later. Proper time I didn't mention there. That's why I'm not using. But if I'm having a proper time, you can mention. Okay. So these are 5 points. Okay. Now, to start with Python there. We're doing it Selenium with what? Python. Actually, people do it what? Java. But Java very tough now. So all people moving to what now? Python. So first thing you have to go with what? Either you can install like what? From Chrome driver, all these things will be there. Let me show one there. You can go type there. Type there what? Selenium HQ. Selenium HQ. Click on downloads. Scroll down. Click on there what? Browsers. Select there what? Chrome browser. Click on what? Documentation. Then scroll down. Which version of Chrome I'm using? 97 or 96? We don't know. How to know? Click on start. Open the Chrome browser. Click on this 3 arrow marks. Click on help about Google Chrome. So what version I'm using there? 96.0. So I have to click on 97 or 96. 96. Then install the file. This is the long way. Okay. Now another way I can do is what? I'll be opening. Why? Because you're doing Python there. They're not a fulls now. If I don't know Python, this is the way, all this way I'll follow now. But we know Python will be following easiest ways. So I'll be opening a website called as what? PyPy.org. PyPy.org. In this, you have to install 3 things. So what are 3 things? Let us discuss now. First thing, you have to do it what? Pip space install. Pip space install Selenium. Pip space install Selenium. This is the first thing. Second thing you have to install is what? Pip space install WebDriver Manager. WebDriver hyphen manager. Okay, what are the 2 things you need to install? Pip space install Selenium, pip space install WebDriver Manager. Instead of opening Selenium HQ, all those things. Okay, easiest way I'll tell you. Don't worry. So these 2 things you have to follow now. Okay, so let me show once practically. So let me open the file also. Okay. So first we understand, then we'll do practically also. Okay. Now, what I wrote here. Okay. So first thing, I'll open terminal window, Control plus tilt button. What happened? Okay, clear screen once. So type the what? Pip space install Selenium. Pip space install Selenium. Make sure what you are connected to what? Internet. Then press the what? Enter. So if I already installed, what I'll get? Requirement already satisfied. Yes. So what I get? Requirement already satisfied. But if you have not done, it will take some time. It will be getting what? Installing all those files. Then. And some people will be getting their what? Yellow color. It will ask you to upgrade what? Pip. It will ask you to what? Upgrade pip. What is the syntax to upgrade the pip? Pip space install space hyphen upgrade space pip. So in the entry also they'll ask you how to upgrade pip. What is syntax? Pip space install space hyphen upgrade space pip. Okay. What is a pip full form? Python installation package. Python installation package. What is pip? Pip is the package manager for Python. Pip is the package manager for Python. If you're not written, they just write once. All out now, I think points. Okay. Enter now. So what is there? Already my condition what now? Satisfied. So people who are getting the yellow color there, those things you modify. Okay. Some people, YouTubers, many have seen. They don't know how to upgrade, but they are telling. Okay, this is also one big mistake. Okay, clear screen. What is second thing I have to install now? WebDriver Manager. So pip space install space WebDriver hyphen manager. Yes, if you want to see once, you can see here also in the browser. Type the what? WebDriver hyphen manager. See there. Library provides the way to automatically manage drivers for different browsers. Pip space install WebDriver hyphen manager. If you're feeling lazy to type, keep the cursor here, copy, then you can paste it here. Right click, just right click. No need of control V also. Press what? Right click button. Enough. Okay, so already I've done there. So clear screen now. Now very perfectly concentrate. Okay, because one time you write this code, enough. Always will be getting this code. First import what? Time. Import time. Why time? Why? Because once the browser opens, I want to see it for some time. Then it should get what now? Close. Immediately close happening, opening happening. When can you know? Opening happens, but closing immediately happens. What can I see? What happened there? I can't see. That's why I'll import the what? Time. Import time. So time, how much second there now? 5. 5 seconds of time I want. After loading the web page, I want it to wait for how many times? How much minute? How much seconds? 5 seconds. That's it. Now, from Selenium, import what? WebDriver. Import what? WebDriver. First, from import first time. Next what? From Selenium, import WebDriver. Then from WebDriver hyphen manager. This thing you need to verify just to see. Then without seeing also I'll tell you once. So from WebDriver manager, import what there? Driver. Then from WebDriver manager dot Chrome. So which browser I'm using now? Chrome. So from WebDriver manager dot Chrome, import what there? Chrome driver manager. That's it. Now you can take any variable. So I'll take in there what? Driver. Driver equal to WebDriver dot Chrome. Okay. WebDriver dot Chrome. First time will feel difficult. I'm saying now. First two times or first half an hour will feel difficult only. So WebDriver dot Chrome executable path. I have to pass the path. Chrome driver manager dot install. This is a thing you have to buttify. Buttify, huh? I never told buttify. This thing you don't know also. If you don't know also, fine. Why? If you open the pypy.org, where I have typed the pip space install WebDriver manager, scroll down using it Chrome. Right click, copy, paste. That's it. No one asks you without seeing, write this code and show. So you need to buttify there. No, we have pypy.org. After just install, then copy from here these 3 lines, copy and paste it. Okay. So first 3 lines you need to copy and paste. Yes, we need to just copy and paste. From where to where? See what I've copied, just what if you see properly there once. Let me minimize and show once here. What I've copied, if you check there properly, from Selenium, import WebDriver. Then third line, are you able to see there? Third line I have modified. Because every time I can't give the path, there's things. So what I told there, from WebDriver manager, import what? Driver. This is the only shortcut I added here. Okay. You have different browsers, Chrome there, Firefox there, Edge, Opera, okay, different there. Now I'll just pass this in. So first 3 lines is what you have to import there. Okay, so Chrome is the browser you're using there. So just copy this and paste it. Only thing what I'm adding there, from WebDriver manager, import driver. Then driver.get, pass any website. Suppose I'll pass there what? youtube.com. YouTube. Okay, youtube.com. I want to open the website. It should get closed after what? 5 seconds. Then I want the title name. I want the title of the web URL. Like what? Suppose if I open the browser, what is the title of this page? WebDriver manager. This is a title. Okay. This is what? Title. Okay. Any page. This is what? Title. This is called as what? Title. So for YouTube also I want the URL. It's what? What I want? Title there. Okay. So come back there. Now just run the code once. Nothing wrong now. Okay, you can see there Chrome is controlled by, or once again if I run there, see after over title came there, title what came there? YouTube. So once again I learn clear screen. Now I'll show properly again once again run the code. So check there, Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. What is the title name here now? YouTube. So we'll open some other website now for clarity there. We'll open what? CricBus, because match going on. So CricBus. Maybe girls don't know, but boys know. So see once. So run the code. So title name is very lengthy now. You can see there P20 big title there. Okay. Over. Okay. So title name came. This is a title name. So if I want to see for what, at least 10 seconds. I didn't see score, nothing I have seen. Clear screen. So run the code. By evening you can know. So after 10 seconds, we'll close. These are basic. Now without seeing, you tell me once, fast. Without seeing. By seeing, you didn't have told now. Okay. So fast now. First thing, import time. If I don't import time, what happens? We'll open, close, khatam. That's it. We can't see. So import time. Next, from Selenium. From Selenium. Just see that also I don't want type. Here, from Selenium, import WebDriver. Next, from WebDriver manager, import driver. Next, from WebDriver manager dot Chrome. Chrome smaller capsa. See na, all experts. Import Chrome driver manager. Next, driver equal to WebDriver manager dot Chrome. C capital here. CHROME. Yeah, Chrome. No, just WebDriver dot Chrome, not manager again here. WebDriver dot Chrome. Okay, Chrome. In this executable path equal to Chrome driver manager, then dot install. That's it. Close the bracket. Starting will feel difficult. I'm saying now. Once if you practice 4 times, 5 times, automatically you'll get the interest. Then now driver dot get. What's the website you want to open? https:// 2 times www dot any website name. What inside? Zomato. Wait, let me think once. Okay, Amazon.com best. Amazon.in. Okay, that's it. If you want to get title, you can get title, but I want to maximize the window also. Window should what? Maximize. So driver dot maximize window. That's it. Now time dot sleep. Sleep for how many minutes? Not minutes, seconds. 5 seconds is enough. Then next what last? I want to get title, it's your choice, or you can leave it. It's not a compulsory should be there. But if you want to check, how can you check? Driver, print, first of all, print driver dot title. That's it. So now run the code. Browser open, Amazon.in. That's a total window maximized. URL we got now. Not URL, title we got printed. So this is the what? Title of the Amazon website. We can open any website. So first now, without seeing you write in your notes, then by seeing. If you don't know, then you can see an icons. And this thing you have to keep in your resume that I know what is Selenium in the Selenium, because every batch I'll add some new things. So this batch what I added now? Selenium there. So why? Because in every new year, company expectations also increases. So you have to also modify. Maybe one day we'll take and just half day we'll take and talk about the resume part also. But before talking about the resume, we need to have some skills. If we don't have skills, what will keep in the resume there? That's why first I have to tell these topics, then only can tell you what to keep in resume there. Topic will not over, that will not over. What shall I tell in resume? What you have to keep? Yeah, without seeing right ones. Don't multiply, okay? Why I'm saying without seeing a right? Because one time interest will come. I'll tell you now. You can do this magics and show to mechanical friends, civil friends. Even I'm saying now 90% CSC students also don't know. Yes or no? Anyone there is CSC? You know? Not you don't know. Faculty not told you. No, we can't name black faculty. Okay. No corona batch. No, they'll know. Who is who? No. Just be perfect with one. Okay, one code enough. Khatam. Next to five will next write like something. If you can't write also no problem. First three lines I told you from where you have to copy and paste. Okay now. Why I'm telling you to write? Because sometimes you have to do show off also. In the exam, if I say, sir, open a website, copy, paste from there, how it will look you think once? Sir, copy from there, open pypy.org, click there, pick space, install WebDrive and hyphen manager, scroll down, you'll be finding Chrome. From that three lines you copy, paste in the VS code. Till the time you tell, can't you type that thing there? Thing once, you'll tell me once. Can't you type there? If I copy and paste, how you'll feel? If I type and show, how you'll feel? You tell me once. Difference there or not there? Or both same? Difference will be there, okay? So when you're showing someone writing something, you have to write in proper way. When you're working, you can copy and paste. But starting, you should not have a habit of copying and pasting. That's where I found what a difficulty in students. That thing means what? Copy, open Google Chrome, copy there and paste here. If I have something, sir, open that website, copy there, paste there. If everything Google Baba does, what you'll do there? Okay, copy, paste, modifying, then not doing again. So now you can pass any website or you open Amazon only there now. Any website. Done? These things are extra things, okay? I'm saying you. Why I'm keeping in your resume? Because so that your resume gets highlighted than other people do. What you're doing, other people are also doing there. Okay. You're not the only person who learning Python applying for job. So you have to keep your extra curricular activities, I can say. Means what? Now don't keep chess, caroms, cricket, that kabaddi pro, all these things. Technical skills you have to add. I'm saying. Okay, he knows Python, I know Python. But in Python, what he knows, what I don't know, what project he has and what I have done. Very perfectly applied skills. No one asks you whether you wrote this program or not. What they ask whether what you have executed this program. Can you run this code and show? This is the only thing they ask. When you learn bike driving, will they ask who taught you this vehicle, from where you learned? You know to drive or not? That's the only thing they ask. Khatam. Done. We have to go to the next concept now. Okay. Okay. Can you open Excel side? Next one now. So next one now, find by ID. Okay. To understand the remaining parts, just don't need to Butterfly tool. Starting only tool. No need to Butterfly. So open browser. Type there what? No, just Python Selenium docs documentation. Python Selenium docs. Enter. We'll get the first link. Not the official. Just okay. So it is not official documentation. Just scroll down. Rectangle locating elements. Click on this. So what you have there, find by ID, name, XPath, link test, partial link test, tag name, class name, CSS selector. If you check my programs also, those name only there or not there? Name, ID, name, class, CSS path. There not there. Now let us talk the reality part. Suppose, okay, ClickBus will take or anything. Okay. Suppose I'll open the ClickBus. Now I'll click on this link. Okay. So this match is going on, table coming. If I right click, I want to know the table information. What is the happening, coding part of this one. So right click for the inspect. I want to leave the water India score, or suppose just water this match. Only open water South Africa versus India. Right click, inspect. So if you see there, if I keep the cursor there, it is getting there what highlighted. Yes or no? If I scroll down, next one there. Now, what's the tag name here? Less than symbol A. It is called as what? People, full stack people. Anchor tag. It is called as what? Anchor tag. So few tags are there. Okay, few tags are there. Div tag will be there. The tag, HTML tag, body tag, ID, all those things. Okay. Now, if I want only this one, how can I have? If I want to copy, I can copy. Right click here, copy. But if I copy now, exact location I won't get. I just copy. Suppose I'll open and paste. See how much length it is becoming there. But now I'll be using different concept now. Different concept. Why? Because suppose if for hyphen A, only one thing there are here. Hyphen A there here, not hyphen A. Anchor tag 1, 2. How many are there? Many are there. How to find? Control plus F. Now here. See here. Once again I'm saying that control plus F. Okay. Control plus what? F. Here it will come there. Find by string selector XPath. Here I'll type there now. Less than symbol A. Getting there? So totally I have to copy there. Totally I have to what? Copy and paste. Right click here. Copy. XPath, whatever it is there. Paste it there. How many there you know? 1. Okay, fine. But actual way, this is a way of not getting. This is not the actual way. Only one is there. Okay, fine. If 5, 6, 8 are there, how can I know which I'm copying there? You won't have the clarity there. Okay. So what I'll be doing, I'll be installing one thing called as what? Selectors hub. Selectors hub. What you have to install? Selectors hub. Click on the first link. I have to install not in the Brave browser. Where I have to install it? In Chrome browser. You can check the names here. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Brave, Opera, Edge, Chrome, Tor. I am using what browser for my Selenium part? Chrome. 99% people use what there? Chrome only. So we have to also use what? Chrome. So I'll open Chrome. What I have to install? Selector sub. Say not installed. Okay, let me show one there. Right click here. Inspect. Are you able to find selector sub anywhere here now? Are you able to find? Let me just see here. Are you able to find after properties, accessibility, selector sub there? No. In front of you, I'm only installing now. So type the what? Selectors hub. Open the first one. Click on what? Chrome. It will open the Chrome Web Store. Click on the what? Add to Chrome. Yes, add the extension. Yes. Open this link. Say pin it here. Okay. This is na. Click on what? Pin it. Then it will show here. If you don't pin, it will not show there. So click on this what? Pin button. That's it. Now. This is disturbing a lot. Now again, what will open now? ClickBuzz or whatever it is. ClickBuzz. Right click this one. Getting the selector sub. Okay. Now what you do? Click on inspect. Sir, at last you see the no selector sub no. Yes. Now see properly. Focus now. For all you have what one only there now. Real CSS selector. How much have there? One only. For all one only there. But if you check the class name, how many are the class name now? 6. So which you are copying, you don't know there. That will be very important. Okay. That side they have what? ID, name, expert, all those things. Again, even the tag name. How many are there? Tag name? 180. Because I open this one, very easy, are able to find one there. But many links will be hanging there. What? 5, 10, 15, 20, what one? So we have to check where is one unique there that will copy. Okay. So now what will copy? Something will copy now. We'll copy what? ID. So ID are able to find there. ID are able to find? No. Yes or no? So I'll open some other website now. I'll open what? Facebook. After many years, I'm opening. Many years. Don't know which year I open. Inspect. Selector sub. ID there. Yeah, there. ID there. Yes. Copy this ID. Just share key there. What is the symbol then? Here. Copy. Now, let me open the code now. First, we'll see our code, then we'll see that part. Okay. So, minimize. Find my ID there. First 3 lines are same or different? Yes or no? But previously, I have shown there only there. This line I have written in the import only there. Yes or no? First program, nothing you're doing there. Basically, thing you're doing now. Now what I'll be doing there? I'll take a class. Take a class. Class, pass any name there. Class, any name there. You can pass. Suppose I'll say py2. Because suppose there, what? Py, something name you tell me once. Give very nice name. Suppose FB. FBC, Facebook I'm opening now. So what's my class name? FBC. Keep there what? Indentation. This def you're able to see? This def is nothing but what? Keyword. Keyword for what? Function. Def is the keyword. Def is the keyword for what? Function. Like how list is represented? List is represented by what symbol? Square bracket. Tuple with what? Commas. Set with what? Curly bracket. Curly bracket in middle colon. Dictionary. Strings, single quote, double quote, 3 times single quote, 3 times double quotes. Similarly, function is denoted by a keyword called as what? Def. So for function, what is the keyword in the Python? Def. Def is the keyword for what? Function. Now, when will the function get executed? Only when it is called. Listen once again. When will the function get executed? Only when it is called. Until you don't call, it won't get worked. Nothing is going to happen. Let me show you once. So I'll change some modifications. So this here FB ID, okay, fine, nice it is. And here I'll pass a name there, FBC. Suppose I don't pass these things. I'm not calling the function only. Run the code, nothing is going to happen there. Anything happen there? So function program gets executed. Okay. A function program gets executed only when it is called. So just make a 2 points, you know. Don't let lengthy terms. Okay. What is the keyword for function? Def. Def is the keyword for what? The function. When will the function get executed? Only when it is called. Only when it is called. These points will be enough. People adding many points, confusing the interviewer, everyone. HR getting irritation. Something you're telling and coming, it's not you, your seniors. In single line, something you say and come, it's enough. From somewhere buttified from net, that only went and told, asking definition, not able to say. So no one wants your what net like what buttification part. One line you answer, enough. No one expecting totally that what he studied in the BTech, that thing only come and tell here. You're not understanding. What you're telling to HR also not understanding. Then why then? Okay. So what is function? Just simplify, say opinion as function. What is say about function? In Python, function is denoted by a keyword called as a def. The function gets executed only when it is called. That's it. Clear first part? Now, I'm passing the what now? Self. When I write in the function self now, okay. Okay, 1 minute time is there now. Okay. Whenever I write in the function self, I need to create an object. I need to create a what? Object. So when I pass self there, I need to pass it what? This creating an what? Object. So here I'm taking any variable. I can take f also. You can take any variable. I can take a also. A equal to what? FBC. I'm calling what now? Class. I'm calling what? Class. This A is called as what now? Object. And this part is called as what? Class. I'm calling the class. Yes or no? I'm calling what? Class. From this now, who is the main holding now? This A. Then I can say A dot, which function you want to call? FBID. So A dot FBID. Make a note of this one. So some part will be